Today we'll reveal how cleaning your door can bring wealth into your life. The law of attraction teaches us that even simple actions can have a big impact. Before we start, please subscribe, share this video, and leave a comment to thank the universe. Are you curious to find out how something so ordinary can change your life? Stay tuned and prepare to be amazed. Treating your home as a sanctuary of abundance is very important. When we view our home as a special place, it can change our thoughts about wealth. Our living environment affects how we feel and think about money. A friend once shared a story about how treating her home as a sanctuary of wealth led to big changes in her finances. She started seeing improvements in her money situation after she began to clean and organize her space. Cleaning your door is more than just a simple chore. It symbolizes clearing the path for wealth to enter your life. When we clean and organize our home, we create a flow of positive energy. This positive energy helps attract good things, including wealth. The law of attraction teaches us that our thoughts and actions shape our reality. Visualizing your goals and maintaining a clean space can help you achieve financial success. Jim Rohn once said, "Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment." This means that being disciplined in keeping your home clean and organized can help you reach your financial goals. A clean and tidy home makes it easier to focus on your goals and work towards them. It also helps reduce stress and creates a peaceful environment. Affirmations are also very important in creating a positive mindset. Saying positive statements about wealth and abundance can help you believe in your financial success. For example, you can say, "I am open to receiving wealth and abundance," or "My home is a place of prosperity and peace." These affirmations can change your mindset and attract positive energy. Confucius once said, "The strength of a nation derives from the integrity of the home." This quote shows how important our living space is in creating a prosperous life. When we take care of our home, we create a strong foundation for success. A clean and organized home helps us feel more in control and ready to welcome wealth into our lives. Treating your home as a sanctuary of abundance can greatly improve your financial situation. Cleaning your door is a simple but powerful action that symbolizes clearing the way for wealth to enter your life. By keeping your home clean and organized, you create positive energy and make it easier to achieve your financial goals. Remember to use affirmations to create a positive mindset and believe in your success. A well-kept home is the first step towards a prosperous life. Cleansing rituals are important for creating a harmonious and prosperous home environment. They help remove negative energy and invite positive energy into your space. Let's look at 3 cleansing rituals: saltwater cleaning, bay leaf cleansing, and placing herbs strategically. First, let's discuss saltwater cleaning. This ritual is simple but powerful. For 7 consecutive days, mix salt with water and use it to clean your home. Focus on areas where you feel negative energy might be present. Salt water has special properties that can remove negative energy. While cleaning, say positive affirmations like, "My home is filled with positive energy and abundance." This will strengthen the ritual and help attract good energy into your home. Next, we have bay leaf cleansing. Bay leaves are known for their powerful cleansing properties. To perform this ritual, place bay leaves at the entrance of your home. You can put them under a doormat or in a small bowl near the door. Bay leaves symbolize luck and money. They are believed to protect your home and attract prosperity. As you place the bay leaves, say affirmations like, "Luck and prosperity enter my home easily." This will enhance the positive energy in your home and invite good fortune. Lastly, let's talk about the strategic placement of herbs. Herbs like rosemary, sage, and lavender have cleansing properties. Place these herbs in different areas of your home to create a positive energy flow. You can hang them in bundles, put them in small bowls, or use them in essential oil diffusers. These herbs not only smell good, but also help cleanse the energy in your home. Say affirmations like, "My home is a sanctuary of peace and abundance," as you place the herbs around your home. These 3 cleansing rituals can help create a harmonious and prosperous home environment. Saltwater cleaning removes negative energy. Bay leaf cleansing attracts luck and money, and the strategic placement of herbs enhances positive energy flow. Remember to use affirmations during these rituals to strengthen their effects. A cleansed and purified home is a welcoming space for abundance and prosperity. When our thoughts are positive, we open ourselves up to opportunities and abundance. Let's talk about 3 practices that can help you stay positive: meditation, journaling, and affirmations. First, meditation is a powerful tool for achieving a positive mental state. Taking a few minutes each day to meditate can help clear your mind and reduce stress. Find a quiet place, sit comfortably, and focus on your breathing. As you breathe in and out, let go of any negative thoughts. Meditation helps you stay calm and centered, making it easier to attract positive energy and wealth into your life. Next, let's talk about journaling. Writing down your thoughts and feelings can provide clarity and direction. Each day, take a few minutes to write about your goals, dreams, and anything that's on your mind. Journaling helps you organize your thoughts and focus on what's important. It can also help you identify any negative patterns in your thinking and replace them with positive ones. By keeping a journal, you can track your progress and stay motivated. Finally, affirmations are a great way to build a resilient mindset. Positive affirmations are simple statements that you repeat to yourself to reinforce positive beliefs. For example, you can say, "I am capable of achieving my financial goals," or "Wealth flows easily into my life." Repeating these affirmations daily can help you stay focused and confident. They remind you of your strengths and keep you motivated to pursue your goals. Norman Vincent Peale once said, "Change your thoughts and you change your world." This quote highlights the power of positive thinking. When we change our thoughts to be more positive, we can transform our lives. Maintaining a positive mental state is crucial for attracting wealth and achieving your goals. Meditation, journaling, and affirmations are effective practices for cultivating a positive mental state. Meditation helps you stay calm and centered. Journaling provides clarity and direction, and affirmations build a resilient mindset. By incorporating these practices into your daily routine, you can attract positive energy and wealth into your life. Remember, the power of positive thinking can transform your world. Thank you for staying with us. To attract wealth, it's important to combine cleaning rituals, maintain a positive mental state, and create a relaxing atmosphere in your home. These practices work together to remove negative energy and invite positive energy, making it easier for wealth to flow into your life. Consistency and patience are key. Keep practicing these rituals and maintaining your positive mental state. Over time, you will see changes. Remember Buddha's words, "The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step." Each small action you take brings you closer to your goals. We appreciate you watching this video. Please share your stories and impressions in the comments. We love hearing from you and learning how these practices have helped you. Thank you again, and we look forward to your thoughts.